Hello YouTube, another quick video, this one on the 2005 Renault Megane Sport. This is the 2 litre turbo petrol, and I had a lot of oil leaking around this area of the engine, and I wasn't sure if it was coming from the turbo hose, but I suspected it was from the, I think you call it the oil separator cover, which is this one on the top here. And it's a pretty easy job. I'll just run through quickly what I did to do the job. I didn't video it, it's fairly straightforward, but this turbo pipe has to come off first, and that's done by undoing the clamps on the connector tube. There's one bolt down here, and that's a bracket that goes down, and there's another bolt down the bottom there, and another bolt just there. Don't undo the clamp down there, that's not necessary. Once you release those bolts there, undo these clamps, you can pull this hose back. That will allow you to take this cover off here. So then just another series of bolts to undo. This one here, and again on the other side, this one here. It's just a little hold down bracket there. You need to take the coil packs out, so they're held in by these bolts here, to give you clearance to remove the cover in that direction. This cover here needs to come off. There's 3 bolts only. There's one there, another one just there, and another one at the back. Now it looks like there is a bolt hole down here, and there's a boss on the turbo hose, but there was no bolt in there on this car, and when I tried to put a bolt in, I could see that there was actually no thread in the boss, so that's a bit weird. Anyway, once that cover's removed, then it's just a series of bolts all around the cover, as you can see, all fairly straightforward, all accessible. They're all 10mm AF, so that makes it very simple. And here it is, all running again really nicely. A couple of things I forgot to mention: this pipe and this pipe just pull off, they need to be removed. Yeah, once all that's done, you can remove the cover. I'll put up a couple of still shots showing you what I found when I took the cover off. But a good little project, only took an hour or so to do. Oil separator and the top of the valve cover, and a couple of detailed photos as well. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks very much for watching.